All right, what are we looking at here?
We're looking at something that plumbers needed to do and dig up the big hole. And we're not allowed to play in the front yard. Only over here, not here.
Okay, you want to walk along and show everywhere
Yes.
it goes? All right, you lead the way.
Hey, so it's gonna be like way over. This is comfortable.
Don't lean on that. Come on.
I think. But that's poor grass, Mom.
I know. Our yard's gonna be a mess. And what are they gonna do here in the driveway?
Well, they're doing it like cut our driveway open.
Yep.
And this, we can no longer play on this because it's fixed, but they're putting in new pipes. Yeah.
Correct.
Yeah, because there's a half of that missing. And that's why we can reach all the way down.
Okay, now where? And don't reach all the way down.
We could just go through.
No, we cannot just go through.
That's why this, but we don't know what that's from.
And it goes all the way into the backyard, underneath the kitchen window.
Do you want to go and see what we did?
Yeah, we can go pick it up.